How to install a pellet stove in 6 steps. Installing a pellet stove is a big project, best for confident DIYers with carpentry skills. You'll need a non-combustible fireproof pad, impact drill or driver, long and short drill bits, reciprocating saw, high-temperature silicone sealant, caulk gun, and exhaust vent pipe. First, decide where to install the stove. It needs to be away from combustible surfaces, close to an electrical outlet, next to an exterior wall. Your stove's manual may come with specific installation instructions, but here are the basics. Put down a fireproof pad that fully covers the stove's base, plus 6 inches in front. Move the stove on top. Cut a hole in the wall for the stove's exhaust pipe. Install the vent with screws, then seal the joints with high-temperature silicone sealant. Connect your stove. Finally, test the stove to make sure everything works correctly. Sound like too much hassle? Use Thumbtack to find a contractor in your area to install your pellet stove.